Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about a loop, while loop. So let's start, and I'm going to create a new file here and I'm going to name it while loop.python. I want to show from 1 to 5, let's say. So how can I actually do this? Either I can print from 1 to 5, okay, individually, or I need a loop. So here I'm going to show you how you can do this using while loop. So to do this in while loop, you just have to say while, let's say a variable I smaller than 1 to 6, right? So I have to mention the I value also at first. So I'm going to say here I is equal to 1, and here I'm going to say colon. So what will happen? I will actually say print the I, okay? And I need to do increment, okay, because now I value is 1, so I have to increment the I value, right? And when I will actually increment the I value, it will be actually 2. Then it will check once again the condition that 2 is smaller than 6. Yes, then it will actually print the 2 also, and so on. So to increment in Python, what you have to do, you just have to you cannot actually give here I plus plus. Why? Because Python don't believe that you can do one thing in multiple ways. So yeah, here that is the reason you have to use like this equal to 1. Why? Because now the I value will actually increment by 1, okay? So now you can actually go to the next line and you can close it. So if I run the code, you can see it's showing from 1 to 5. All right, you can print anything here. So the while loop will actually execute like this, and first of all you have to mention the variable and you have to set the value. I mean, from where actually the value will be started. So you have to set the value and then while loop, and then this is the condition. It will run while loop until the condition will fulfill, okay? If the condition not fulfilled, then it will actually break the loop. So it will check I value is smaller than 6 or not. First of all 1, so 1 is smaller than 6, right? So it will actually print it, and then go to the next line. It will increment I value with 1. So currently I value is 1, so I plus 1 is equal to 2. So it will go to the condition once again, and it will check that 2 is smaller than 6 or not. Yes, then it will actually enter the while loop, and here it will print value 2, okay? Then first of all it will print 1, then it will print 2. Now the value is 2, so 2 plus 1 is 3. It will check 3 is smaller than 6. Yes, then it will actually print 3. And then now 3 plus 1 equal to 4, so it will actually say 4 is smaller than 6, and the condition is true, so it will actually print 4 also. And then 4 plus 1 equal to 5, the condition is also true because 5 is smaller than 6, then it will actually print 5. And then 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Now while value now I value is 6, right? So 6 is smaller than 6. No, the condition is not true, so it will not enter here, it will go outside of the loop. So that's it. That is the reason actually it's showing from 1 to 5. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.